I am with خەڵات فازڵ inside the lab of Climate Change and Sustainability Research Center at Sōraan University.
Because I have to measure or account all the rings to identify the age of this tree.
She just got her master's degree in Dendrochronology, the study of trees, and she will tell us about this particular tree trunk that she has been studying for her research.
It's nearly about like 70 years old.
This is a native walnut tree from probably the mountain villages of Sōraan, near Sōraan.
The mountain villages, because we are not going to take the sample from near roads or things like that. We have to go to the mountains, to the forests that we have. I'm always telling this type of the trees a unique species because they really record very sensitive climate change that's been occurred in our environment.
What type of tree is this?
This one is also walnut, but this is a smaller one. This is not that old actually, as you see the rings may not reach to 20 years old.
Through the study of trees, she is able to find out climate change and other factors that cause climate change in the last 100 years. And here is a good example. She has two samples of native walnut trees that she has collected, one from somewhere near Sōraan and the other one is from Rawanduz. It's not only the study of the rings or the beauty of the tree or the age of the tree. Through the barks, the rings and other patterns and changes, she will be able to collect data about the past, and also that will help them predict the future for the well-being of the trees, for diseases that they may face.
This pattern will mention that one, it will record it. If it's a rainy day or if it's the warming season, exactly the tree will record it.
We are blessed with many natural forests and some very unique trees in the mountains of Kurdistan. But unless we study them and we understand them, their age, the human and climate factors that affect the health and well-being of our trees, we will not be able to understand our forests, work for their future, protect them.